Guys, welcome back to my channel. Another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. Today we're going to travel and I'm taking you guys to the Dominican Republic and we're going to make some authentic mofongo. And this episode starts right now. On today's episode, we're traveling to the Dominican Republic, and I'm going to teach you how to make authentic mofongo. I've had the ingredients back here, so let's go check them out. Okay guys, so here are the ingredients for our Dominican style mofongo, authentic from the Dominican Republic. Alright, here we have 6 green plantains. Okay, we also have some beef neck bones. Always keep in mind that bones always make the best stock. We got some cilantro. We have 3 big cloves of garlic. We have a coarsely chopped half an onion. And we're going to use that partially to make our broth to go over our mofongo. We got some more garlic there for our actual mofongo. This device right here that you see is called a pilon. It's called a pilon in Cuba. I have the name of it. I'll have the name of it right up there. It's called a pilon. You can get this at any Spanish store where you crush your plantains and your garlic. It's really very, very convenient. We're also going to use black pepper. We're going to use annatto seed. Ground annatto seed is very common in Puerto Rico and the Dominican Republic, mainly for color. Garlic powder, onion powder. We're going to use some salt. And look at that pork belly. We're going to use some pork belly, which I have already pre-made, but I'm showing you what it looks like. You can get it at, and I'm also going to have the instructions on how to fry this. This is you have to be very careful when you fry this, but I'll have the exact instructions on my blog, which is right here also, www.stovetopyumyum.com. So you guys, I'm so excited today, and this is going to be so delicious. We're going to accompany this with 2 skirt steaks. Oh my god, this is gonna be so delicious. You're gonna love how beautiful this is. And I will meet you at the stove and let's get cooking. Hey guys, we're back and we are at the stove. I have a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a small pot. I'm gonna show you right now. Here is our beautiful neck bones. Always keep in mind there's some meat on the neck bones. When you're making broth, you guys, bones are so crucial to the richness and the deliciousness of broth. So now we're going to put this in a tablespoon. I'm going to braise this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to braise it on both sides, and just with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And let me show you. Check this out. All right, here we have our pot. Oil. Ooh, that's hot. So these are neck bones. What we're going to do is we're going to put this in here. You see the pot is small, you guys, and that's fine. I'm just going to braise them real quick. Now, guys, I'm going to grab my bigger little stock pot, and when I come back, you guys, we are going to put this on the stove, and we are going to let this broth cook for about an hour and 10 minutes. And you guys, you don't want to miss this, you guys. Look at how beautiful this is. Look at the sear on that. Always remember, you guys, when you're making any sort of beef stock, always remember, braise your meat first. Very simple. Pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, braise it. That way the redistribution of the juices of the meat goes right back into the meat. Always remember, neck bones have meat. So we're going to do that. So what I did was I grabbed my little Dutch oven. I'm going to show you right here, and we're going to grab 6 cups of water. We are going to stir it around. We are going to cover it and forget about it for about... We're going to cover it and forget about it, you guys, for about an hour and 10 minutes. Hey, guys, I'm back for a minute. I wanted to show you what our stock is starting to look like. Got a low high here. Look at that. Oh, my God. My 6 plantains are all cut up. Put them in water with a teaspoon of salt for about 10 minutes. We are going to only cut them about no more than an inch thick. Pork belly, which I pre-made, and when I come back, these will be almost done frying, you guys. I'll show you the pork rinds, And you guys, this is so absolutely easy to make and so delicious. Stay with me, you guys. I'll be right back. I'm back for a minute. Oh my God, it smells so delicious in here. These green plantains. I just wanted to come back for a minute and give you a little view of what it's starting to look like. Check this out. Look at that. Oh my God. Still needs a few more minutes. So delicious. I will be right back. I am so excited. I have my whole assembly line here, and we're gonna get ready to make our mofongo. So I'm gonna lower my camera and show you. First, before I lower my camera, I wanna show you I have my golden plantains, cubed up my beautiful pork belly, chicharron, yum. I've got my salt, I've got some fresh garlic, cilantro, and my pilon. At the bottom of my pilon, I've put a little bit of oil, like probably half a teaspoon. So let's lower this down and let's get ready. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna throw in some garlic and some cilantro. Not all of it, you guys. We're building this in layers, okay? And we are gonna throw in a pinch of salt. The salt is gonna, although this is a big pilon and it's pretty deep, as you can see, the salt's going to stabilize the garlic so it doesn't fly out of the pilon. It's a very traditional. So we're going to start mashing it. You mash it, you guys, and then swirl it around. Like really, really mash it. Now I'm going to throw in some of my chicharron. A couple cubes of that. Oh my God. Oh my God, I can smell this already. Okay. A little bit of that. And now we're going to beat the heck out of this too. Look how that's starting to look. Oh my God. I'm going to put in a few plantains. Probably about 3 or 4. We don't want to make this, we don't want to make it mushy, you guys. Okay? So I'm going to put in probably, like maybe a tablespoon. A little bit less than a tablespoon. Like, let's do half a tablespoon of our broth, because we don't want our plantains to be soggy, okay? So we're going to start mashing our plantains. This will give you some good arm work to make your arms strong. And you guys, you don't want to miss this, you guys. I will be right back. Don't go away. Back. Look at this, you guys. Oh my God. Mush and turn. Mush and turn. My God, look at that. So if it doesn't come out, we're going to take it out on our hands. Come on, baby. There we go. That's authentic Dominican Mofongo. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create a little well in the middle like this. I have my little thing. I'm going to put a little bit more, a few more chicharron when I serve it. Look at that mofongo. You guys, that's, oh my God, that's beautiful. You got freaking out. Wait a minute. I'm surprised my husband's not here. All right, so I'm going to taste. Let's grab a little bite. Oh my God. Me and my monster bites. All right, here goes, guys. Get a little sprig of cilantro. God, this is so delicious, you guys. I don't know if in the Dominican Republic they use cilantro or not, but I do. I love it. It makes it taste so delicious. So here goes our taste test for our mofongo. Here goes nothing. Oh my God, you guys, so delicious. Oh my God. You guys, that beautiful green plantain, you can taste that, of course, a lot of plantain. The garlic jumps at you. And then you have that delicious, delicious pork belly. Those chicharron. The crispiness of the chicharron. And the fat and the meat's so soft. And then the cilantro comes in with that freshness. I'm going to try it again. I just want to make sure. Hold on. All right, let's do it. Oh, wow. I'm going to grab one of my little chunks again. Oh, my God. Now I grabbed a chunk from the top, you guys. See, now it's starting to fall apart, but who cares? After you eat it, I mean. Here goes. All right, here goes my second bite. Oh, my God. You might not hear it, but I got some crispy skin from the chicharron. When I chopped this up, right before I made the mofongo in this pilon, in the wooden pilon, I put a tablespoon of lemon juice in this and just stirred it around. Because you want like this to be crispy, the chicharron, you guys. I'm going to accompany this dish with a skirt steak. Listen, this is delicious dinner on a plate. As I always say, you guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. And if you already subscribed, thank you. And if you haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe. But don't forget the notification bell. That'll notify you every time I have a new video come out. And as always, you guys, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will see you guys then. Take care. Bye.